Ever heard of the dark side of the moon? No, not the Pink Floyd album, the supposed side of the moon that never sees the sun. Now let's set the record straight, shall we? This myth arises from a phenomenon known as synchronous rotation. This essentially means the moon spins on its axis at the same rate it orbits the Earth, causing one side, the near side, to be perpetually earthbound. However, the term dark side of the moon can be quite misleading. You see, as the moon orbits Earth, both sides, yes both, get their fair share of sunlight. The dark side isn't always in the shadow. It's just that we Earthlings never get to witness the moon basking in the sun from our vantage point here on terra firma. So the dark side of the moon isn't so dark after all, it just prefers to keep its sunny side hidden from us Earthlings. Dropped your sandwich on the floor? No worries, the 5-second rule will save the day. Or will it? Now let's dive into this widespread belief. Many people swear by the 5-second rule, the belief that if you pick up dropped food within 5 seconds, it's safe to eat. But does science back this up? Not quite. In reality, bacteria don't need 5 seconds to hop onto your food. They're more like sprinters than marathon runners, contaminating in less than a second. What's more, the type of food and surface plays a crucial role. A moist sandwich on a tiled floor, that's a bacteria party waiting to happen. A dry cracker on a clean wooden table, not so much. So it's not really about the timing but more about these variables. Remember, bacteria are invisible invaders, always ready to seize an opportunity. So, next time you fumble your food, maybe just let it go. Bacteria are quicker off the mark than Usain Bolt. Ever been told your hair grows back thicker and darker after shaving? Let's shave off this myth. You see, when you shave, you're not changing the structure of your hair or its pigmentation. What you're doing is cutting off the tapered end of the hair strand, leaving a blunt tip. This blunt tip can give the illusion of thicker hair as it grows out, but fear not, your hair's thickness, color, and growth rate remain the same. The only thing changing is your perception. Now let's talk color. The newly grown hair may appear darker because it hasn't been exposed to the elements and everything else that might normally lighten it, like the sun or your favorite shampoo. But rest assured, it's not actually changing color, so shaving won't turn you into a werewolf. You can put away the silver bullets. Think your goldfish can't remember what it had for breakfast? You might be selling it short. Now, we've all heard that old chestnut about goldfish having a mere 3-second memory. But is it really true? Well, science says otherwise. Contrary to this popular myth, studies have shown that goldfish can actually remember things for up to 5 months. That's right, 5 months. Not only that, but these little aquatic creatures can even be trained to perform tasks. Some researchers have managed to teach goldfish to push a lever to release food, play a game of fishy soccer, and even navigate a maze. So, the next time you find yourself underestimating your fishy friend, remember, they might just be smarter than you. So, next time you pass by your fish tank, give your goldfish some credit. They might remember more than you think. Who knew science could be this fun and myth-busting, this satisfying? Throughout this journey, we've learned the importance of scientific understanding and questioning commonly held beliefs. It's through asking questions and seeking answers that we truly learn and grow. Remember, science is all about questioning the world around us. So keep asking, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep busting those myths.